taking special drives in this regard, individually and jointly with the RTA also. So we have been imposing certain restrictions on the movement of heavy vehicles which are more vulnerable and which to the pollution certain timings. So that is another drive, sir. Then as far as the noise pollution is concerned, sir, like as GHMC Commissioner sir has told about the H-Trim signal project, this is a Hyderabad Traffic Integrated Management System. As part of that project, we have variable messages boards commissioned in various junctions. So where we try to educate the people about honking, because it has become a menace and emitting the noise pollutions. So a lot of complaints we keep getting from the social activists and the pressure groups. So we have been educating through this use of this variable messages boards, electronic media. And we have two counseling centers that we call a Traffic Training Institute at Goshamal and Begumpet, where all the traffic violators are being counseled. So the focus is on about the honking also, where we try to educate the violators about honking and also the vehicular pollution. So this is a part of the enforcement and the education, sir. There's what sir has told about the H-Trim signal. That has made a very considerable progress since we met last. Right now, as far as Hyderabad city is concerned, 137 H-Trim signals have been commissioned out of 157, and another couple of weeks, the entire project will be completed. And we have the Traffic Command Control Center is yet to inaugurate formally, but it's functioning on trial basis and very well, where we basically, the basic purpose is to reduce the time in the junctions, which has a bearing on the pollution for any commuter. So this particular concept is based on the vehicle actualization, where the camera captures the density of the volume of the vehicle traffic, and it automatically changes the cycle depending upon the, and this is all the real-time data. So which is helping a lot the traffic police to manage the traffic, to ease the congestion, which has a direct bearing on the pollution. These are the initiatives as far as the noise and the vehicular pollution by the traffic police. Thank you, sir.